In a small village, nestled between rolling hills and lush green fields, there lived a young boy named Min. Each morning, as the sun peeked over the horizon, casting a golden hue across the landscape, Min would rise with the rooster's crow. The sweet scent of dew-kissed grass filled the air, and the world outside was alive with the sounds of nature awakening. But for Min, the most exciting part of the day was feeding the animals. Min had a small farm, a patch of land inherited from his grandfather, who had been a farmer for as long as anyone could remember. The farm was home to a delightful assortment of poultry: chickens, ducks, geese, and even a few turkeys. Each bird had its own personality, quirks, and demands, and Min had grown to know them all intimately over the years. With a bucket in one hand and a handful of grain in the other, Min stepped outside, the wooden door creaking softly behind him. The sun was warm against his skin, and he could already hear the familiar clucking and quacking that filled the air. He made his way to the coop, where the chickens were the first to greet him. They strutted around, pecking at the ground, their feathers glistening in the morning light. Min loved watching them. There was something so amusing about their little antics, the way they fluffed their feathers and chased each other in playful squabbles. "Good morning, my feathery friends!" he called out, his voice light with joy. The chickens seemed to perk up at the sound of his voice, gathering around him in eager anticipation. Min poured a generous amount of grain onto the ground, and within moments, the yard was a flurry of feathers and excitement. He watched as they pecked and scratched, their tiny beaks working diligently to gather the food. It was a simple pleasure, but one that filled his heart with warmth. Next, he moved on to the ducks, who were always a bit more boisterous than the chickens. Their quacking filled the air as they waddled over, their webbed feet slapping against the ground. Min laughed as they splashed about in their small pond, the water shimmering as they dived and resurfaced, shaking off droplets like little rainbows in the sunlight. He tossed some feed into the water, and the ducks quacked in delight, diving beneath the surface to find the floating morsels. They were a lively bunch, and Min loved their carefree spirit. After the ducks, it was time for the geese. These birds were a bit more regal, with their long necks and honking calls. Min approached their enclosure with a mix of respect and amusement. The geese were known for their honking protests, often seeming to scold him for not bringing enough food. He filled their trough with grain, and once again, the honking turned into a chorus of satisfaction. He admired their strong, graceful bodies as they waddled about, occasionally flapping their wings in a display of dominance over one another. Finally, Min made his way to the turkeys, the last of his feathered companions. They were a curious bunch, with their colorful plumage and distinctive gobbles. Min loved watching them strut around, puffing out their chests as if they were the kings of the farm. He scattered some grain at their feet, and they quickly gathered around, their heads bobbing as they pecked at the ground. Min chuckled at their antics, finding joy in their simple existence. As he finished feeding the animals, Min took a moment to sit on a nearby log, watching his feathered friends interact. It was a peaceful scene, one that reminded him of the beauty of life in the countryside. The sun continued to rise, illuminating the vibrant colors of the farm, and the sounds of nature enveloped him in a comforting embrace. In that moment, Min felt a deep connection to the land and the animals he cared for. He understood that each creature played a role in the delicate balance of life on the farm. The chickens provided eggs, the ducks and geese kept the pests at bay, and the turkeys, well, they were a source of both entertainment and sustenance. Min realized that he was part of something larger, a cycle of life that had been ongoing for generations. As the day progressed, Min attended to other chores around the farm, but his thoughts often returned to the animals. He wondered about their lives beyond his care, imagining them roaming freely in the fields, foraging for food and basking in the sun. He felt a sense of responsibility towards them, knowing that he was their protector and provider. The bond he shared with these animals was more than just a daily routine. It was a relationship built on trust and companionship. Min often found solace in their presence, talking to them as if they were his friends. He would share his dreams and fears, and in return, they offered him comfort with their gentle clucks and quacks. As the sun began to set, casting a warm glow over the farm once more, Min returned to the coop to check on his beloved birds. He felt a sense of fulfillment wash over him. Feeding the chickens, ducks, geese, and turkeys was not just a chore. It was a daily ritual that connected him to the earth, to the cycles of nature, and to the simple joys of life. In those moments, surrounded by the sounds of his feathered companions, Min understood that his life was rich with meaning. Each day brought new challenges and triumphs, but through it all, he found happiness in the act of caring for the animals that had become a part of his soul. And as the stars began to twinkle in the night sky, Min whispered a soft goodnight to his flock, knowing that tomorrow would bring another day of laughter, love, and the simple pleasure of feeding his cherished friends.